What's up everybody? Anthony Vicencio here today at Motion Pro, and today I want to show you our heavy duty clutch holding tool. It's used to hold the clutch hub in place when doing service work on the clutch. What's neat about this tool is it has a reversible blade on each side, and you can use that for either the square style splines or the round style that you find on KTM hubs. It has a range from 75 millimeters all the way up to 120 millimeters. That's adjustable with this knob here. And we'll show you real quick how you would use it on a bike like this to hold your clutch hub in place. So as you can see, we have the round side of the blade facing in, which is what's gonna work on the KTM style hub. As you can see here, it's got the round slots. So I'm gonna put this into position here and then start to turn this in so that way we can get it secure on the hub, which it's starting to snug up. Let me give it a double check here. Beautiful. Now it's got a nice secure grip there, and we'll be able to begin our service work. And one last cool feature about this, the handle is removable so you can get easy storage. It doesn't take a whole lot of space in your toolbox. Comes off just like that. The blades are removable with this little Allen key here. If you like this product or are interested in any more of our products, you can go to www.motionpro.com. You can check out our YouTube channel, Instagram, and the most important of all, go see your local Motion Pro dealer.